Let's begin with our first project, House 1. This concept design, encompassing a compact 33 by 39 feet footprint, effectively blends modern tropical architecture with rustic Mediterranean influences. The exterior utilizes a visually striking combination of smooth white stucco, natural stone cladding, and a traditional pitched terracotta roof that ensures optimal thermal efficiency. By integrating expansive black-framed glass facades, the design embraces passive solar principles to maximize natural daylight and create a highly climate-responsive living space. Transitioning to the interior, the architecture embraces a biophilic design strategy by seamlessly extending the exterior's natural material palette indoors. An open-plan spatial arrangement minimizes physical barriers, relying on large floor-to-ceiling windows to effectively dissolve the boundary between the living spaces and the surrounding landscape. Furthermore, the strategic use of warm wood accents and minimalist furnishings optimizes both spatial efficiency and comfort, delivering a highly functional yet deeply tranquil environment. House 2. Moving to our next design, House 2 occupies a 26 by 39 feet footprint, adapting Mediterranean architectural principles into a refined, desert-inspired aesthetic. The structural envelope features a robust juxtaposition of crisp white stucco against massive natural stone masonry, capped by an impressive exposed timber-framed roof. This heavy thermal mass construction provides superior insulation against extreme climates, while expansive floor-to-ceiling glass facades integrate passive cooling and panoramic landscape views. Inside, the architecture emphasizes premium craftsmanship through vaulted ceilings, with exposed structural timber and extensive custom woodwork. The seamless continuation of natural stone walls from the exterior grounds the modern open-plan layout in a tactile, earthy luxury. Furthermore, meticulously integrated architectural lighting and bespoke built-in cabinetry maximize both spatial efficiency and visual sophistication, creating an elevated resort-like living experience.